Are you feeling lost when it comes to choosing the perfect domain for your brand? Or maybe you're a domain investor trying to stay ahead of market trends and opportunities. In today's fast-paced digital world, making the right domain choice can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Welcome to Startup Domains. In this video, we'll show you how .gdn domain extension can bring your brand into the spotlight by aligning with industry-specific abbreviations, making your services instantly recognizable and relevant. Stay with us, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage .gdn domains for your business or investment strategy. This isn't just another extension. GDN abbreviation is widely used and recognized across various industries. Google uses the abbreviation GDN for its Google Display Network, which is part of its advertising platform. Additionally, abbreviations like GDN are also used across other niches, including Guardian, Global Data Network, Global Development Network, and Global Delivery Network. Using .gdn extension gives your business name relevance to these niche industries, making it more obvious in search results and easier for your audience to remember. Whether you offer PPC services, e-commerce solutions, or global distribution, the GDN domain emphasizes your industry alignment and makes your brand more memorable and relevant. Imagine having a domain name that not only perfectly matches your business, but also carries industry-specific relevance. That's the power of .gdn domains. Using .gdn domain gives your brand a powerful advantage in industry relevance, thanks to its connection to widely recognized abbreviations like GDN. Let's break down how this works. For example, ppc.gdn is perfect for PPC marketing agencies. The term GDN stands for Google Display Network, one of the largest advertising platforms used by marketers worldwide. So pairing PPC with .gdn makes your domain instantly relatable to professionals and businesses looking for PPC advertising solutions. Similarly, experts.gdn makes a strong impression for consulting firms or expert networks. With GDN already recognized in industries like advertising, technology, and logistics, your domain conveys a sense of specialized service in a global context. If you're starting an online store, a domain like shop.gdn emphasizes your connection to a global distribution network, making it clear to customers that your products are available for international shipping. And for businesses in courier or freight services, using shipping.gdn or courier.gdn aligns your brand with concepts like global or ground delivery networks, signaling your expertise in worldwide logistics. By choosing a .gdn domain, your brand becomes more memorable and industry relevant. It helps your audience quickly understand your focus and connect your services with familiar industry terms, making your business easier to find and remember. If you're ready to explore exact keyword domains that can elevate your brand with .gdn, visit our website at domainer.gdn. There, you'll find a curated selection of domain names designed to bring industry relevance to your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our startup channel. We regularly share insights on domain names, innovative business models, and strategies to set you up for future success. Stay tuned and empower your brand with the right digital presence. Join us on this journey and transform your ideas into a thriving business.